Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. In today's social studies lesson, we are going to learn about services. In town and city communities, there are different services which help the people. The police, fire brigade, hospitals and the city council are examples of such services. In every city, there are a number of police stations. They are places where policemen and policewomen work. Their job is to keep us and our property safe. To do these, they have to be out on streets to see that everyone is obeying the rules. These rules are called laws. There are many laws in our country. For example, one law says that you cannot steal from another person. People who are caught breaking the law are arrested by the police. Sometimes the police also have to fight the criminals. They have a hard job to do. Some policemen direct traffic in a city. They make sure that people drive properly and obey the rules of the road. They also help people, especially the very old and young, to cross the road. The fire brigade. When there is a dangerous fire out somewhere, firefighters are called to put it out. They travel in a red fire engine. The fire engine has a loud bell or siren to warn others to move out of the way so that they can get to the fire quickly. When firefighters get to the fire, they use ladders and long hoses to bring water to put out the fire. They need to use long ladders if the fire is in a tall building. They wear helmets and sometimes carry sharp axes. Do you know why? If people are trapped inside a burning building, they go in and bring them out to safety. People who work for the fire brigade are very brave as they take risks to save other people's lives and property. Hospitals and clinics. People who are very ill are taken to a hospital. Sometimes people are badly hurt in an accident. Sometimes they need emergency operation. When this happens, they are rushed to a hospital in an ambulance, where they are looked after by doctors and nurses. They are given medicines to make them better. Ambulance. Have you seen an ambulance race through the traffic to take a sick or injured person to the hospital? Other drivers must always give way to an ambulance so that it can save a patient's life. Clinics. Clinics are usually much smaller than hospitals. A clinic is a place you go to when you are not well. In a small clinic, there is usually one doctor. If you need to have an injection or a checkup, then you can see your doctor at a clinic. Social welfare services. People who provide free help and care to the poor and needy are doing a social service. In times of accidents or when injuries are caused by fires or when natural disasters such as earthquakes, storms, avalanches and floods occur, social welfare services offer help and so boys, you need to solve these questions. Who might you find working at the following places? A fire station, a police station, a hospital. Have you seen a fire engine or an ambulance on the road? Where do you think it was going? What work do the police do? All these questions need to be solved on your neat notebooks. Make sure you write date and day, draw margin lines and do your work carefully and neatly. And don't forget to underline your topic with the colored pencil. You also need to solve the work pages at page number 32 and 33 on your social studies books. Make sure you solve exercise A, B and C. Thank you. I hope you have learned a lot about services and I hope it might help. Allah Hafiz.